Welcome back to our channel. Let's start with the news today. Italy seized a $578 million mega yacht owned by Russian oligarch Andrey Melnichenko. Italian authorities seized a Russian oligarch Andrey Melnichenko mega yacht on Friday, according to a statement from Italy Finance Police. The statement said the vessel called SUEK is worth about 530 million euros and was storage at the northeastern port of Trieste. It's one of the largest super yachts in the world, according to its manufacturer, Nobiskrug. The sanction, Melnichenko was sanctioned by the European Union on March 9 as part of expanded punitive measure against Russian oligarchs. According to the EU, he owned the major fertilizer producer EuroChem Group and the coal company SUEK. The EU Council decision, which authorized sanctions against Melnichenko, noted he and 26 other business leaders met with President Vladimir Putin after the invasion of Ukraine began to discuss the potential economic impact of EU and US sanctions. The EU Council decision reads, the fact that he was invited to attend this meeting shows that he is a member of close circle of Vladimir Putin and that he is supporting or implementing action or policies which undermine or threaten their territorial integrity, sovereignty, and independence of Ukraine, as well as the stability and security in Ukraine. It also shows that he is one of the leading business person involved in economic sectors, providing a substantial source of revenues to the government of Russia, which is responsible for annexation of Crimea and destabilization of Ukraine. This is the end of our news today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.